As a U.S. exporter, you have to comply with U.S. laws that regulate exports of certain products to certain places and to certain people. But did you know that other countries have regulations on imports as well? These foreign import regulations are in place to ensure safety, quality, and conformity with environmental, energy efficiency, or other regulations or standards of the importing country. The regulations may require registration, testing, labeling, or licensing prior to the foreign customs officer releasing your shipment to the buyer. As an example, you may have noticed a CE marking or a CCC marking on products you use at home. These marks designate conformity to European Union or China standards. If you plan to sell into the European Union or China, your product might also need to obtain this certification. In fact, most countries have some sort of import regulations. Products related to agriculture and food, health and beauty, medical, chemicals, electrical or electronics, machinery, and toys frequently face import regulations. Please note that the packaging you choose may also have to meet certain standards or need required markings. And all countries have required documentation that will need to accompany your product through customs. If you have a foreign partner or distributor, they are usually an excellent source of information on regulations and documentation required for your product. Another source of information about import regulations is Export.Gov. You'll find detailed information and links to resources on all aspects of trade. Sometimes you think you've done all your homework, but are surprised at the foreign point of entry with a regulation or document request you were unaware of, or you may encounter an overzealous foreign official. For help, put in a call to your local U.S. Commercial Service office. As representatives of the U.S. Department of Commerce, they are uniquely positioned to advise you on import regulations and may be able to assist with misunderstandings at the border. In summary, when researching the best foreign markets and developing an export plan for your products, make sure you understand each market's import regulations and required documentation that your product might face. Add to your export plan any additional cost and time to meet these requirements to consider when selecting an overseas market. For more information on the export process, you can watch another video in the Exporting Basics video series. Register online at Export.Gov to receive valuable export information. And explore our export guides and trade events calendar on the Export.Gov website.